1972 Mercedes-Benz 284,5. Price $8,95. Location Phoenix. The 1972 Mercedes-Benz 28 OSE 4.5 is the definition of old money luxury mixed with legendary German engineering. Finished in rare Byzantine gold metallic with a deep blue interior, this full-size luxury sedan captures the golden era of Mercedes-Benz design. Even after more than 5 decades, the W108 body style still looks elegant, powerful, and incredibly timeless on the road. The front grille, chrome bumpers, and long flowing body lines instantly give this classic Mercedes an unmistakable presence. Back in the 1970s, owning a 280 C4.5 meant status, success, and sophistication. Today, it represents one of the most respected vintage luxury sedans ever produced by Mercedes-Benz. Every detail of this car reflects craftsmanship from a time when vehicles were built to last 4 generations. The heart of this machine is its famous 4.5-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This powerful setup helped the 280 C4.5 become one of the most desirable luxury cruisers of its era. With power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, and a smooth suspension system, the driving experience was designed to feel effortless and refined. Whether cruising through the city or dominating the highway, the interior perfectly combines classic comfort and vintage style. Inside the cabin, you'll find blue bucket seats with headrests, elegant wood accents, power windows, air conditioning, and classic video instrumentation. The analog clock and original FM/AM radio complete the authentic 1970s luxury atmosphere. Sitting behind the iconic steering wheel feels like stepping into an entirely different automotive era. The exterior details make this classic sedan even more attractive to collectors. The 14-inch steel wheels wrapped in white line tires, chrome trim, side marker lights, and polished accents give the car an unforgettable personality. Even the trunk still carries a full-size spare tire and Bilstein jack, showing the incredible attention to detail Mercedes-Benz engineers were known for during this legendary period. The W108 chassis has earned a worldwide reputation for durability and over-engineered quality. Many enthusiasts believe these cars were among the finest luxury sedans ever built. This particular example is currently offered as a non-running project, creating an exciting opportunity for restoration. Enthusiasts who want to bring a true automotive icon back to life, with classic Mercedes values continuing to rise, this could be the perfect investment for collectors searching for something truly special. Di 1972, Mercedes-Benz 280 C4.5 is not just another vintage sedan. It is a rolling piece of automotive history that represents luxury, prestige, and engineering excellence from one of the greatest eras in Mercedes-Benz history.